Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add tasks in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. In the left side of your screen you can see Spaces option. Locate the space and hover your mouse to the space in which you want to add the tasks. Then a small plus icon will appear next to the name when you hover over it. Click on it. Then a drop down menu will appear in the option. There you can see New Doc, New List and New Tasks. Select New Tasks, then initiate the task creation. Or you can just click to New from the top menu bar and this type of interface will appear in your screen. From here, you can initiate your task creation, then click to Create Tasks. This is how you can add tasks in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.